What's up, it's Joe with OCDetailing, and behind me I got this Mustang. It's a Mustang GT and the customer wanted a really unique look. I think he was trying to match up with his work vehicle, so we're going to make a black and white theme out of this. So we're going to do some clear bra paint protection film on the front of the car along with some accent areas, and then we're going to do STEK DYNOBlack on top of the roof to match the gloss black wheels, and I think this thing's going to come out really sharp. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OCDetailing. We finished the Mustang. This thing actually came out really cool. I'm excited for our customer to see it. I hope it doesn't remind him too much of his work car with the black and white theme we got going on here. But just to walk you through what we did a full front end custom PPF install with STEK DYNOShield. We blacked out these grills right here, and then we blacked out the roof with STEK DYNOBlack. It's actually a dyed PPF that literally looks like paint. I think the customer's gonna love it. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OCDetailing. Please subscribe for more videos.